Hello children, I hope all are fine, and today we are going to learn new words which will beautify your language. And the first word of today is adversity. Adversity simply means a difficult or unpleasant situation. I mean bad time. You can call it in Hindi vipatti. Yes, and the synonyms are misfortune, trouble, calamity, crunch, mishap or hardship. You all can use as a synonym. Like we should help our friend in adversity. Yeah, he is in trouble. You should really go to help him. Calamity, like flood is a natural calamity. Yes, all are suffering from economical crunch in this pandemic situation. Mishap and hardship can also be used as a problem. Yes, like example, she turned adversity into opportunity. Yes, everyone should know this. Now the second as a phrasal verb is bring it down. Bring down का मतलब नीचे करना, कम करना. Like see, to bring someone in a position of power to lose his job. इस तरह से करना मतलब नीचे दिखाना, नीचा दिखाना, नीचे करना, like this. Like we are determined to bring down inflation. हम लोग इन्फ्लेशन को कम करने के लिए क्या है, डिटर्मिन्ड है, मन बना चुके हैं. दिस स्कैंडल कुड ब्रिंग डाउन द गवर्नमेंट को ही नीचे ला सकती है. ठीक है, लाइक दिस बिहेवियर ऑफ योर्स विल ब्रिंग डाउन योर रेपुटेशन. ये आपके रेपुटेशन को क्या करेगा, कम कर देगा, पोजीशन को नीचे कर देगा. दिस वे वी कैन यूज दिस वन, ब्रिंग डाउन. नाउ ब्रिंग अबाउट इज एक्चुअली अ cause to happen, like cause something to happen, cause, create or produce. Example, he brought about his company's collapse by reckless spending. मतलब उसकी कंपनी कोलैप्स हो गई, किस वजह से, उसके रेकलेस स्पेंडिंग के कारण. इतना ज़्यादा खर्च कर रहा था कि उसकी कंपनी क्या हो गई, खराब हो गई, बेकार हो गई. ठीक है, he brought about his company's कोलैप्स कर गई बिकॉज ऑफ रेकलेस स्पेंडिंग. सो ब्रिंग अबाउट कैन बी यूज इन टर्म ऑफ क्रिएट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक पैंडेमिक हैज ब्रॉट अबाउट lockdown has brought about economic crunch. Yes, so this way you can use it. It can be used as a produce, can be used as a create or cause. Right, now proverb for today is a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Yes, suppose you want to lose your obesity. Yes, you want to get rid of your obesity. So first step will be like you should stop eating junk food. Maybe you are not going to the gym and not running for hours, then you can take a single step avoiding or saying no to junk food. I hope all the words are clear to you. Please keep revising, and if possible write in the diary and use while speaking and writing any topics. Thank you.